Welcome to RFD's information video about Tabroom.com. Our first section is going to be on how to make a Tabroom account. You're going to begin by going to google.com. You're going to go to the top search bar on Google and type in Tabroom.com. This will take you directly to the website. The website should look something like this. It should have a sign up and a login information at the top right-hand corner. Once you get to this page, you're going to click on the sign up button to make an account. That sign up button should take you to a page that looks like this. You should have an NSDA section on the left and a non-NSDA section on the right. You will not be filling out the NSDA school advisor section. However, you will be filling out the non-NSDA members section. Fill out the starred sections of the non-NSDA members section to create an account. Please remember that this is an academic account, so use your real name as well as an email address that you will regularly check. In addition, if you would like to receive live updates about your rounds, please put in your phone number so that Tabroom can text you. We highly recommend putting in your phone number to sign up for live updates because it helps students keep track of the tournament. In addition, RFD would like you to keep track of both the email you used to sign up for this account as well as your password because you will be using this account multiple times in the future. After you have pressed create login, we recommend that you go back to Tab's home screen, which looks like this, and try to log in. This is to make sure Tab and you have the right login information. To log in, you're going to click on the login button in the upper right hand corner, which will take you to a page that looks something like this. To log in, you're going to type in the email that you used to sign up as well as the password you have created with your account. Once you have logged in, you should be taken to a page that looks like this. Once you have logged in and you click on your email, which you can see is in the upper right hand corner next to the search tournaments bar, you will get to a page that looks something like this. Mine looks a little bit different because I help run RFD. However, yours will display your competitive history and any upcoming tournaments that you have signed up for. To give you a little bit more information on your Tabroom account, if you go to the right-hand side of your screen and you scroll down and look at it, it will give you more information about your account as well as more specifics on your personal debate history. If you have been able to do all of this, you have successfully made a Tabroom account. Congratulations! Yay, you're done! In the pre-tournament survey, make sure to provide RFD with your Tabroom email so that we can ensure you are competing with a linked account and will have access to all of your feedback post-tournament. The second section of this video will be going over linking your account to the person that you are in RFD if you forgot to link your account prior to the tournament and would like access to your feedback. So linking your account to yourself. Once you have logged into your Tabroom account and have clicked on your email, look at the right-hand side of your screen with all the information about your account. The right-hand side of your screen will look something like this. Scroll to the very bottom of that section, which looks yellow and says Your Account. Once you are there, click on the button that says Link Your Account to a competitor. This will allow you to link yourself to the individual you competed under RFD. That button will take you to a page that looks something like this, except for it will actually be your name instead of just your name written on the screen. Click the blue link button if it is indeed your name and the school/team is Reason for Debate and the tournament is an RFD tournament. Once you have clicked that link button, an RFD staff will get an email notifying them that someone is trying to link your account, and we will confirm that. If we do not confirm that, feel free to email us and we will make sure that you become linked. Having a linked account is important because it is what allows you to access your ballots after the tournament. Parents can also have linked accounts to get information and updates on their child's debate schedule and career. To do so, they should go to the Your Account section and click on Edit Live Updates/Parent Memos. The third and final section of this Tabroom video is going to be on updating or changing information on your Tabroom account and how to do that. When you go to your home screen, click on the Profile button on the upper right corner next to your email. That will take you to a page that looks like this. Once you are here, you can save any changes that you would like to make to your email or username, your phone number, or your time zone, as well as pronouns, and you can also change your password. Thank you on behalf of RFD. I hope you found this video helpful and are successful in navigating Tabroom in the future.